Modifying the video transition. So let's put a transition in. And so I'm over here and I'm going to my effects and I'm going to go to video transitions. I'm going to go with a flip over. And I'm going to come over here and I'm going to place it right in between two clips. And there's my flip over there. I'm going to come to here and I'm going to just play that. All right. So there's my transition. All right. Play it again. There's my transition. Let's say now I don't like it. I can come down here and let's say, oh, I want to change it to a checker wipe. All right. So I'm going to come down here and go over here to checker wipe. I can just drag and drop it right over the top of that and let go. And it will replace the existing transition. So it will remove it and then put the new one in there. Now I can just come in here and hit play. And you can see that it now has a checker wipe. I'll play that again. And so you can see that the transitions are different. So you just have to drag and drop and get what you want as far as a transition. So it's just a drag and drop right over the top of it. You don't have to worry about deleting the original one. It'll automatically do that. So this is modifying a transition.